Amazing health benefits of bamboo leaves. Why you should drink. Amazing health benefits of bamboo leaves focuses on their nutritional and therapeutic properties that contribute to overall wellness. Bamboo leaves are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They also contain dietary fiber that supports healthy digestion and gut health by promoting regular bowel movements and nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Bamboo leaves have natural anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Additionally, bamboo leaves support immune function, cardiovascular health, and blood sugar regulation. They aid in detoxification by supporting liver and kidney function, helping eliminate toxins from the body. Bamboo leaves are also rich in silica, vitamins such as A, C, E, minerals, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and amino acids, which contribute to healthy skin, strong bones, and overall vitality. Incorporating bamboo leaves into the diet, such as through tea or supplements, can provide these health benefits and promote overall well-being. Here are amazing health benefits of bamboo leaves. Why you should drink. Rich in antioxidants. Bamboo leaves are renowned for their high antioxidant content, which includes flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and other polyphenols. Antioxidants play a critical role in protecting the body against oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and DNA, leading to premature aging and various chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. By consuming bamboo leaf tea or extracts rich in antioxidants, you can enhance your body's defense against oxidative damage and promote cellular health. Supports digestive health. One of the key benefits of bamboo leaves is their ability to support digestive health. Bamboo leaves are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for proper digestion and bowel regularity. Fiber adds bulk to stool, facilitates smooth bowel movements, and prevents constipation. Moreover, the fiber in bamboo leaves acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut flora is crucial for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut health. By incorporating bamboo leaf tea or supplements into your diet, you can promote a healthy digestive system and support gastrointestinal well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bamboo leaves contain bioactive compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many health conditions, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and inflammatory bowel disorders. The anti-inflammatory effects of bamboo leaf extracts can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions. By regularly consuming bamboo leaf tea or supplements, you may experience relief from joint pain, swelling, and overall inflammation, contributing to improved joint mobility and enhanced quality of life. Boosts immune system. The immune-boosting benefits of bamboo leaves are attributed to their rich antioxidant content and essential nutrients. Antioxidants help strengthen the immune system by protecting immune cells from oxidative damage and supporting their optimal function. Bamboo leaves also contain vitamin C, zinc, and other immune-supportive nutrients that play crucial roles in immune response and defense against infections. By incorporating bamboo leaf tea or extracts into your daily regimen, you can enhance your body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Supports cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of bamboo leaves can promote cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in bamboo leaves help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to cardiovascular issues like atherosclerosis and hypertension. Additionally, bamboo leaves contain compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel function, promoting healthy circulation. By including bamboo leaf tea in a heart-healthy diet, you can support optimal cardiovascular function and reduce the likelihood of developing heart-related conditions. Detoxifies the body. Bamboo leaves contain bioactive compounds, including antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, that support the body's natural detoxification processes. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to toxin buildup in the body. By aiding liver and kidney function, bamboo leaves promote the elimination of toxins and waste products, supporting overall detoxification. Regular consumption of bamboo leaf tea or supplements can benefit detoxification by enhancing liver and kidney health. This can lead to improved energy levels, reduced bloating, and clearer skin, as the body eliminates toxins more efficiently. Promotes healthy skin. One of the key benefits of bamboo leaves is their high silica content. Silica is a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. It supports collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity and firmness. By consuming bamboo leaf tea or extracts, you can provide your body with silica, promoting healthy skin from within. Additionally, bamboo leaves are rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals and environmental factors like UV radiation and pollution. This helps prevent premature aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. The anti-inflammatory properties of bamboo leaves may also soothe skin conditions like acne and eczema. Manages blood sugar levels. Bamboo leaves have been studied for their potential to help manage blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The bioactive compounds in bamboo leaves, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, may improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose metabolism. Research suggests that regular consumption of bamboo leaf tea or extracts can help stabilize blood sugar levels by promoting better insulin function and reducing insulin resistance. This can contribute to better glycemic control and lower the risk of complications associated with diabetes. By incorporating bamboo leaves into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, individuals with diabetes may experience improved blood sugar management and overall well-being. Reduces stress and anxiety. Bamboo leaves possess calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Drinking bamboo leaf tea is known to promote relaxation and mental well-being, making it an excellent natural remedy for managing stress. The anti-anxiety effects of bamboo leaves are attributed to their bioactive compounds, including flavonoids and amino acids, which have mood-stabilizing properties. By including bamboo leaf tea in your daily routine, you can benefit from its soothing effects and support emotional balance. Natural source of nutrients. In addition to their specific health benefits, bamboo leaves are a rich source of essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Bamboo leaves contain vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which are important for immune function, skin health, and vision. Furthermore, bamboo leaves provide minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for muscle function, bone health, and electrolyte balance. These nutrients contribute to overall vitality and may help prevent nutrient deficiencies when included as part of a balanced diet. Moreover, bamboo leaves contain amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which are necessary for tissue repair and growth. By consuming bamboo leaf tea or extracts, you can harness the natural nutritional benefits of bamboo leaves to support your body's daily nutrient requirements. Incorporating bamboo leaves into your wellness routine, whether through tea, supplements, or culinary uses, can offer a range of health benefits that promote overall vitality and well-being. As with any dietary supplement or herbal remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or medical conditions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.